In this video, I will show you how to view data sources in Apple Health. First, open the Apple Health app on your iPhone. Scroll down to the Pinned section and select any metric you want to check, like steps, heart rate, or sleep. Once you're in, scroll all the way down and tap on Data Sources and Access. Here you will see a full list of all the apps and devices that are providing data for that specific metric. You can tap on each source to adjust permissions, reorder them, or even disable data from a particular app or device if you don't want it contributing to your health records. This is a great way to make sure your health data is accurate and only comes from the sources you trust. And that's how to view data sources in Apple Health.